Alright guys, so I just got home from work. I'm actually about to study, but before I study, I have an interview with Karen Hunter, who has a radio show out in New York. Unfortunately, I couldn't travel out to New York to do the interview because of work and some other things that came up, but I have an interview and I'm going to call her here shortly. You guys are going to tune in during the interview, so hang tight, just 1 second. Alright, so I'm about to call in for my interview here. Now, let me pull up the number. 1 second.
Start that. But I wanted to touch on what the reader's talking about with systems. Now, with every system, like in a society, we have, social networks. Dr. Webb, how you doing, sir?
Good, how about yourself?
Excellent. We're going to go to a commercial break. You have 4 minutes of silence, and we're coming back with you after wrap this segment in about 4 minutes.
Okay, sounds good.
All right, put your silence during the break.
Sounds good. No problem.
All right. On time ago is security. Welcome back. That is Shaka Khan with Through the Fire. So Karen Hunter Show, we're here. Sirius XM Urban View, Channel 126. All right, I'm really excited to talk to this gentleman, not just because it's Wellness Wednesday and he's an orthopedic surgeon, but his journey to get there was so wrought with obstacles that it is a miracle that he can do the work that he's doing today. And he's going to tell us his story. He wrote a book, which we're going to give away in the next hour. Oh, we already gave away a copy of it. I'm sorry. And then because he signed this one to me, so I'm keeping this one, putting it on my shelf. Overcoming the odds, from war on the streets of Louisiana to war on terrorism in Iraq, how I successfully overcame the odds. Let me welcome to the show Dr. Antonio J. Webb. Welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me today.
Thanks for being here. Okay, so you opened the book with the arrest of your brother. And it's a story that many people, I guess, might be familiar with, in their own lives, having a relative, someone really close to them, getting caught up in the system.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember that day like it was yesterday?
I do. My little brother, so he got charged with armed robbery, and I believe he was 14 or 15 at that time. And essentially you stay in prison until you reach the age until they transfer you to adult prison. But he was sentenced to juvenile life.
Wow. How did that impact your family? Because your mom was also battling a drug addiction.
I thought that was the norm kind of growing up in Louisiana, because all of my friends, a lot of my friends and family who went to prison or ended up dead. My dad, when he was younger, he went to prison for joining a gang and selling drugs. And ever since I've been young, my mom has been on and off drugs and in and out of jail my whole life. And she was actually shot and is paralyzed from her waist down. My sister did time in prison. So at one time, there was, I believe, 3 people out of 5 out of my immediate family members that were in prison at the same time. So I thought that was a norm kind of growing up.
So how did you get out? Like, what was different about you or not different about you? What was the ingredient that allowed you to sidestep all of that, all of those landmines, and end up in medical school?
Yeah, so I was the angel out of the group. I'm just joking about that, but I came across a medical magnet program called the Fairport Medical Careers Magnet Program, and I got accepted to this program, and I did this in addition to my normal curriculum at my high school. And ever since that program, it kept me off of the streets. I stayed in the books, and I was exposed to medicine, and because I didn't know any black doctors at that time. I had never met any black doctors, so I didn't think it was something that can be achieved until essentially this program, and start seeing other people who were interested in the same path. So ever since that program, I just told myself that I would stay out of trouble and and become a doctor, and that's exactly what I did.
How hard was it? I mean, because you have to be good at science.
Yeah.
That's usually the hardest part for people, because for some reason, either you're good at it or you're not, and if folks don't seem to want to work at it, and you have to have good grades to get through medical school. And it's the one thing I tell my students, if you have a liberal arts degree, you don't have to be perfect.
Yep.
But if you're going to be a doctor, you kind of need to know all of this stuff and not cheat. You got to actually pass these tests legitimately, because people's lives are at stake.
Yeah, absolutely. It was challenging, but I always tell myself that if people before me have done it, I can also. I don't think I'm the smartest person. I work with a lot of brilliant people, some physicians and surgeons who are, always at the top of their class and made really good grades all throughout school. And I wasn't that person, but I always worked really hard, and I outworked everyone else that was around me. So in medical school, if my classmates read a chapter 2 times, I read that same chapter 10 times. So I just worked really hard and, kept my head up, kept God first along this whole path, and just told myself that if people before me did it, I can also. What's up, guys? Me and my beautiful wife here. We just went out to the little area behind our neighborhood. Just going for a little hike today. Not a hike, a little walk. So enjoy some of these views today, and check in with you guys soon. All right, what's up, guys? It is Sunday morning. I'm about to go work out, go to the gym, and then after the gym, I'm going to come home and study and relax and get ready for Monday. So you guys gonna check out some of my workout today. So I do have a set purpose when I go to the gym, and I try to get in and get out within 45, 50 minutes. So real quick workout. I try to work out some of the muscle groups, as well as do some cardiovascular exercise, such as treadmill, the stair climber, as such. So here we go. We'll see you here at the gym. So I'm just now leaving the gym. I'm about to head home. I got a real quick workout in. I did some weights as well as some cardio. Like I said, I tried to be as efficient as possible so I can get in and get out of the gym. The rest of the day is basically going to be spent studying as well as reviewing for some surgeries that I have tomorrow. But that kind of concludes kind of my afternoon. And then tonight, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. So here we go. All right, guys, I just got done studying. Thank you guys for spending the weekend with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it as well. Make sure you guys subscribe. New videos coming every week. We'll see you next time.